All right, oneofoneboxbreaks.com. Thanks for joining in tonight. We got a dual round 3 of the Supreme here. It's been a pretty hot case. Try and keep it going tonight. We got box 5 and box 6. Dual round 4 is up right now, guys. And check out in the background, we got a little coupon going. 20% off your purchase. 1 of 1, April 20. There it goes right there. All right, let's get started here. Go ahead and cue this up. We got the Supreme Dual break names. Here's round 3. Brandon C., Timothy S., Shannon P., Jonathan S., Perry S., tearing up some spots, Timothy S., and Joe Lee Y. closing us out there. Thank you to everybody. Already queued us up in random.org. You can see your names here in the same exact order. All right, and let me go ahead and randomize that for you. There's 1 time. There's 2 times. And there's 3 times. Go ahead and take everybody's name. Copy that there and get into Supreme Dual round number 3. All right, and there's your teams, everybody. Timothy S., what's up, man? And Joe Lee Y., thanks for joining us tonight, guys. Shannon P., Perry S., really appreciate it, guys. Go ahead and print that out. Let's get back over here. And while we're waiting for that to print, do a little prep work. Breaking every night we sell out, guys. oneofoneboxbreaks.com. Check us out. Here we go. Good luck to everybody. Supreme Dual round 3, 4/22/2014. I got approximately 6:16 p.m. Here's everybody's team. Thanks for joining us tonight. Shannon P., Timothy S., Brandon C., Jonathan S., what up, bro? Ian Jolie, Perry S. Really appreciate it, guys. Good luck to everybody. Start with box 5 here. Good luck. Yeah, this has been a pretty hot case of Supreme. Hopefully we can keep it going tonight. Good luck. Like a super thin pack. And we've got a redemption. First card, Barkevius Mingo. That's going to the Browns. Shannon P. It's going to be 35 out of 170. Going to Cleveland. Way to start it off there. The next card. Going to the Indianapolis Colts. Andrew Luck. Who's got them Colts? Jonathan S. 27 out of 112. Nice little blue for you there. And then, oh my Lord. Whew. Going to the Houston Texans, we got a J.J. Watt, 65 out of 99, and that's going to go to Shannon P. Nice card for you there. Oh, man, this next card. This case has been absolutely out of control, and let's just keep it going with a retired and veteran star autograph blue parallel, Jim Kelly. And that will be going to the Bills in Joe Lee Y. I will look into that just to make sure. But I'm pretty sure he retired a Bill. And that is just an absolutely beautiful redemption right there. It is a redemption, but hey, boom. Nice. Very, very, very nice. I can't even imagine what's in box 6 here. I mean, we pulled 2 booklets. monstrous autos, 5 vet autos, Peyton Manning. And like I said, I'm actually listing a 16-box case of this on eBay tomorrow. Getting it from the same source. Blowout cards. Remember too, guys, I got round 4 of this up right now. And when round 4 sells out, we get to do the freebie. First card, going to the San Francisco 49ers in Jolie Y. It's going to be 40 out of 170, Eric Reed. And he's a beast. Once again, another just don't like the bottom of your card there. Try and get some focus here. You can see it reflecting all right there. Sorry. Next card. Going to the Giants. Perry S. Victor Cruz. That'll be 31 out of 50. Another card for you there, Perry. And then, oh my lord, Dion Jordan going to the Miami Dolphins. 59 out of 75. Perry, you're on fire, and Trout is going to be killing you for this one. Oh my. That's a little Le'Veon Bell. And it's purple. And that's 24 out of 25. Going to the Pittsburgh Steelers. Perry S. Congratulations, bud. Totally ripping it up. Very, very nice card there. Really appreciate it. Well, there's round 3, guys, and I'm telling you what, man, this stuff is just awesome. Well, let me go ahead and save that video. I really appreciate it. I'll be right back with you.